Hi everyone, Mr. H here again, bringing you another maths lesson from somewhere around the world. This time I'm visiting the tallest mountain in the world. I wonder if you know what that is. Okay, so the last few days we've been talking about basic strategies, and then on Friday we learnt about derived strategies, which is where you start to use a basic strategy to kind of make up your own and work out some different sums, whether it's addition or subtraction. So today the one we're going to focus on is we're going to focus on our tens facts, and we're going to look at the derived strategies that you can work out and use based on your tens facts that you know. So these are our tens facts, all 9 of them. Okay, which means if we know these facts, and that's nine of our addition facts that we already know. And you'll notice that there's a double there, and there's a couple of near doubles there. Okay, and you notice as well that there's 4 that you just turn around. Okay, so like 2 plus 8, you don't have to work out 2 plus 8, you can just turn it around to 8 plus 2. Okay, to make that easier to work out. And then when it comes to subtraction, you can start to notice the different ways that you can use your tens facts for addition with subtraction. Okay, you can start to notice all the ones where if you start with 10 and take away, and then you can also notice the ones that equal 10. Okay, so for example, 11 take 1 equals 10. Okay, and they're our subtraction tens facts. So when you look at our 9 additions tens facts, and then if you have a look at our tens subtraction facts, then there's another 20 or so that you can learn from that. Okay, one of the strategies that our tens facts helps us start to use is called bridging through 10. Okay, and that means that we can use our tens facts to use the number 10 as kind of like a bridge to help us add 2 numbers together that are going to equal more than 10. Okay, and what that means is you can split the smaller number that you're adding so that you add up to 10, and then you can add the rest on straight away afterwards. So bridging through 10 looks like this. If I have to add together 7 plus 6, well, I know that's going to be more than 10, because if I know my tens facts, I know that 7 plus 3 equals 10. And then because I've added my 3 to get to my bridge of 10, I know that I only have to add 3 more, and then I get to 13. Okay, so that's how I use 10 as a bridge to help me with something that goes above 10. So effectively, by starting from 7 plus 6, what I've really done is I've gone like this. I've gone 7 plus 3, which is these 3 here, and then I've gone plus 3 again, which is these 3 here. And that brings me to my total of 13. Okay, which is a really handy strategy for us learning how to add when the numbers go through to the next 10. If you know your tens facts really well, you could take a problem like 3 plus 9 and you don't even have to turn it around to 9 plus 3. You could just know that you have 3 plus 9, which means you start from 3 and you have to add 7 to get up to our bridge of 10. Okay, so 3 plus 7 and then plus 2 more, because we know 7 and 2 make 9. So effectively, what you've done there is you've done 3 plus 7 plus 2. Okay, or it could look like this on our board. So 3 plus 7 plus 2. Here's our 7 right here, and then here's our 2 right here that we've added on. Okay, so a really important strategy to start practicing. Bridging through 10 works the same way with subtraction. Okay, the aim is whenever we subtract something that we know will be less than 10 or less than a multiple of 10, our aim is to subtract down to 10 and then subtract the rest off later. So for example, if we have to do something like 16 take away 7, okay, so we're starting from here, we know we're subtracting 7, okay, what we need to do then is we need to get down to 10, so we can use our facts to go, well, I know that 16 take away 6 equals 10, and then I've got to my bridge, and then 1 more equals 9, so 16 take away 7 must equal 9. And really what we've done is we've done 16, take away 6, and then take away 1 more to work out 9. Okay, and this is what we're really looking forward, or really looking for you guys to start doing on a regular basis. We want you taking this number here and breaking it into smaller pieces to be able to add or subtract it a lot easier. Okay, and that's when we can start to really explore the strategies that we use. Okay, so for our game today, I'm going to get you guys to play another game of War, but this time instead of addition, I'm going to get you guys to play the subtraction version of War. Okay, so it works exactly the same way. Okay, except I'm going to change it slightly, and I'm going to show you a video in just a moment of how to change it so that you can be practicing the strategy I've just shown you in the video. Okay, so bear with me here because I haven't done a video recording like this, but I'm going to use this to show you how to play the version of Subtraction War that I want you to play. Okay, first off you need a normal deck of cards with the jokers and all of the picture cards and tens taken out. Okay, we can't play this game with any picture cards or tens. So we take them and we put them off to the side. Okay, then what you need to do is you need to split your deck of cards in half so you each have half there. Okay, then what you each need to do is you each get an ace. Okay, now an ace means 1. Okay, in this game. Okay, lots of games an ace means 1, and it's the same with this game here too. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to put 2 cards out every time. Okay, which means you're going to make a 2-digit number with a 1 in the tens digit, and then you're going to subtract a single-digit number. Okay, so if this is our 110, then the first card we put out is going to make it a number with a 1 in the tens column. Okay, so straight away you can see that I've made, so here I've got a 1 and a 9, which means 19, and I've got a 1 and a 2, which means 12. Okay, so that's my first number. All right, then what I'm going to do is next to it here, we're each going to put down another card. Okay, and this is the number that we are subtracting. Okay, so this player here is subtracting 19, or doing 19 take away 8, and this player here is doing 12 take away 8. Okay, so this is going to be a good way to practice our basic subtraction and lots of our bridging through 10 as well. So if we do our subtraction, we see that 19 take away 8, we can work out that that's 11. 12 take away 8, if we do our bridging through 10, we take away 2 to make to 10, and then the other 6 to make 4. Okay, now Subtraction War, you get the cards if you have the lowest total. Okay, so this player here wins because their total was 4, which is lower than 11. Okay, now the important thing to remember here is you don't take the aces away. The aces stay there. Okay, so this player here, because they got 4, they get both cards. If you happen to make a draw, then you take each other's cards, but you still leave the ace there. Once you've played a game of Subtraction War, then it's time for you to choose an activity or a problem from the maths activity grid. Okay, remember, if you've been finding the problems you've done already easy enough, then have a go, then start to challenge yourself by having a go at the next level up. Remember, you can use these supports that we have here. That's why we gave you number lines, 100 charts, and MAB blocks. Okay, and if you have anything else at home that you can use, then go for it. Okay, remember, make sure when you upload your photo of your work, it has the level that you did and then the question number. Remember, you don't have to do the questions in any order. You can pick whatever question number you feel like doing on that day. Good luck.